How to fix iPhone camera and flashlight not working. So if you want to solve if your iPhone camera as well as flashlight is not working, there are a couple of ways to fix it. So here you can see the camera is actually working just fine, and if you want to make sure to enable flashlight inside of it, you just have to tap on this arrow icon from the top, and here you will see these options. From the bottom left you can see the flashlight icon. You want to simply make sure to turn it on, and next time whenever you click a picture, you can see it will actually give a flashlight. So you want to make sure to set this to on. If it's set to auto, set this to on and flashlight should begin working. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.